What's going on, everybody? Today we are making simple seasoned chicken. For this recipe, we are going to be using 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, half a tablespoon hot Mexican style chili powder, half a tablespoon oregano leaves, half a tablespoon of dried basil leaves, and of course 4 1/4 pounds of organic, boneless, skinless chicken breast. To start things off, we are going to combine all of our spices together into one bowl, making sure to mix it as evenly as possible so that when we put it on our chicken, we're going to have a nice, even, dry rub. Moving on to our chicken breast, we are going to cover it with 2 1/2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to pour the dry rub on top of it. You want to make sure that you cover every bit of the chicken. What you don't want to happen is pockets of heavily seasoned areas on the chicken while some areas are left bland. So really take care and be mindful that you cover every bit of that chicken breast with seasoning. A small tip before you guys start grilling: as you can see, the grill here at my apartments is full of grime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub the grill with an onion before I start the fire up. Once I get it all coated with that onion, I'm going to fire up the grill, let it heat up a little bit, and that grime should just come off with a brush, or it should make it a little easier. Onions actually have an enzyme in them that allows the grime to be broken down, and it should just peel away a lot easier than without it. Once your grill is clean and heated up, you're going to drop the heat down to medium-high, space your chicken breasts out evenly, and allow each side to cook for 6 minutes. You're going to flip them halfway between for a total cook time of 12 minutes. Before you pull the chicken off, you're going to want to set up a foil wrapper in a Tupperware. What we're going to do is we're going to lay our final chicken breast in here, wrap it up for about 20 minutes to let it sit. This is going to help seal in all that moisture. As most of you know, chicken breast is notorious for going dry, so this will help it keep that moisture in before we cut into it. After a 20-minute resting period, you can open the chicken up, start cutting it, and portion it out. This will yield 11 servings of roughly 7 ounces per serving. Each serving is going to be 172 calories, about 1.6 grams of fat, 0.2 grams of carbohydrates, and 37.2 grams of protein. And there you have it. Simple, delicious, simple seasoned chicken.